Hello, all. Welcome to the day 34 of the daily case study series for CBSE Grade 12. The question goes like this: Amit, Biraj, and Chirag were given the task of creating a square matrix of order 2. Below are the matrices created by them. A, B, C are the matrices created by Amit, Biraj, and Chirag respectively. If A is equal to 4 and B is equal to -2, based on the above information, answer the following. First question, sum of the matrices ABC, A plus B plus C is. So we will execute the B plus C first. B plus C is corresponding elements have to be added, which is 6, 0, 2, and 3. With this, A must be added. A plus B plus C. A is 1, 2, -1, 3, and B plus C is 6, 0, 2, 3. On adding the corresponding elements, we get 7, 2, 1, and 6. So the option is C. Second question, transpose of A transpose is equal to A itself. So the answer is option A. Transpose of B times A is equal to B times A transpose. Minus 2 times 1 minus 1, 2 and 3. This is minus 2 plus 2 minus 4 minus 6. So the option is question number 4. AC minus BC is equal to. So let's take the C outside, within brackets A minus B times C. A minus B is 1, 2, -1, 3, minus 4, 0, 1, 5 times C is 2, 0, 1 and -2, which is -3, 2, -2, -2 times 2, 0, 1, -2. Minus 3 times 2 plus 2 times 1. Again, first row on the second column, minus 3 times 0 plus 2 times -2. Second row and first column, minus 2 times 2 plus -2 times 1. Second row and the second column, minus 2 times 0 plus -2 times -2, which gives us -4 and 4. The answer is C. Fifth question, A plus B times B. A is 4 and B is -2 times B matrix is 4, 0, 1, 5. That is 2 times 4, 0, 1, 5. On multiplying we get 8, 0, 2, 10. The answer is C. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos. See you all with another case study question tomorrow.